Okay, if you want to compose a text message, but when you open your folder, you're gonna get this issue. Then that means that the Google Keyboard has been disabled. Okay, so let's go to settings and restore the Google Keyboard. Okay, so let's go settings. You're usually gonna get to this point, so let's scroll and find the apps option. Okay, apps subfolder, and now here we're gonna find the Google Keyboard. Okay, which is right there. And sometimes if you can't find it here, then just open this arrow and open all apps or disable. Okay, so but now we found it here, the first option. So let's go and touch enable, and now let's go to home screen and let's try to open text message folder. Let's compose, and you still see this, such as touch the close this window, and the Google Keyboard is there. Okay, so this is how to restore Google Keyboard on this Alcatel PULSEMIX Keyboard. Yeah, any other questions, let me know in comments, and please subscribe to my channel and like my video if this was helpful to you, and also find my other videos related to this smartphone, like hard reset using external buttons when you forget the password, pattern, or pin. Also, if talkback has been activated on this phone by accident, just also I have a tutorial on how to disable talkback, or any other questions or issue they have with the phone you have with the phone. Let me know and subscribe so you can have any other of my tutorials and any other smartphone and tablet. Okay, thank you.